गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरम् गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं श्री गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं भजामि सरदं सुरेश्वरं श्री गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं भजामि सरदं सुरेश्वरं श्री गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरम् अजेन्द्र पूजित विघ्नेश्वरं झेम किट गिड दग जुड़ दगम दगिड जम तजम तजम एकाक्षरी भुवनीश्वरी एकानंदामृतझरी भास्वरी एकाग्रमनोलयकरी श्रीकरी एकाम्रेशकेश्वरी शंकरी
Anuradha has been a very good teacher and performer herself, and it shows in her Shishya also in Madhurya. So beautifully. Her Shambho Mahadeva and also the Varnam I enjoyed immensely, I should say. Singing, dancing, Natwangam, everything was so good.
ಒಂದು ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಏನು ಇವತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪೋಸರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು our compositions get justification completely. So I congratulate her.
A treat to the eyes. Somebody at the back was saying, "Evla dhairama pandra paru." She has so much of confidence. Definitely, she exuded a lot of confidence, no stage fear, and one thing a true student always follows is the footsteps of the teacher and to replicate the teacher.
अंगल बेल दिलगल बिसिलागी तोरिवे भृंगद रव केळी ददी 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 दरा ददी तुम